Suppose the difference between humans and chimps is as small as 0.5% in DNA, specifically in the intelligence vector, whatever that vector truly represents. Just 0.5%, what does that really mean? Well, let's think about it. On one side, we have humans, building the Hubble Space Telescope, writing poetry, debating philosophy, decoding the fabric of the universe. On the other side, we have chimps, who take a twig, strip it down, and use it to pull termites out of a mound. That's their tool, that's their ingenuity. The gulf between those two realities feels infinite, yet in terms of biology, it's just a sliver of genetic difference. We don't usually like to think of it this way, but imagine it. That 0.5% has given rise to art, religion, science, and civilization. It has taken us from caves to skyscrapers, from fire pits to rocket engines. That's the power of a fractional shift in intelligence. Now let's take the thought experiment further. Imagine a species that is not 0.5% ahead of us, but 5% further along that same vector. 5% more advanced in thought, in creativity, in perception of reality. To them, the entire span of human civilization, from our greatest scientists to our most brilliant artists, might look no different than the gap we see when we look at chimps. And if you stretch that gap to 10%, their simplest expression of an idea, their most basic form of thought, would transcend the capacity of even our most intelligent minds to comprehend. The things they consider obvious might appear to us as incomprehensible mysteries, far beyond the reach of our most ambitious theories. Think about it, we look at chimps, and even when they communicate, even when they show signs of cleverness, there's still a wall. We don't expect them to understand Shakespeare, or quantum mechanics, or even the idea of a telescope. To us, they are forever limited by that tiny biological gap. And yet, in their world, they survive, they thrive, they do what they need to. So now, picture us in that same position. Imagine looking up at the stars and realizing that somewhere out there, an alien mind may already exist that sees us the way we see chimps. Our most advanced mathematics might look like crude scratching in the dirt. Our deepest philosophies might feel like a child's first questions. To them, our greatest achievements could be nothing more than the first flickers of awareness. And the haunting question is, if such beings exist, would they even bother to communicate with us? Would they see us as capable of conversation, or would they simply observe, the way we observe animals in the wild? To them, our languages, our art, our technology, might be as incomprehensible and primitive as termite sticks are to us. That's the unsettling beauty of this thought experiment. 0.5% gave us everything we know. 5% beyond us could create beings so advanced, so utterly beyond our comprehension, that even trying to imagine their world is like asking a chimp to imagine the internet. It's simply impossible, so the next time you wonder if we are alone in the universe, remember, maybe we're not. Maybe the question is not whether they're out there, but whether we'd even recognize them when they arrive.